Here are some basic spinal mobility drills that you can use to hopefully help reduce some low back pain. First off, we got the knee wipers. You're gonna go back and lay on your back and just let those knees fall out to each side, getting a bunch of twisting in your low back. You can hold on to that range of motion and just keep it there for about 20 seconds. Do this 3 to 4 times each side. Next up, we have the child's pose. I add threaded needle child's pose, so you're going to go into the child's pose and then try to get your head and your arm through the other arm. Something like this. I rest my head on the ground. It makes it a little bit easier on your shoulder. So again, 20 seconds for 3 to 4 times on each side. Something like that. That's going to help a little bit more of the upper back for some mobility. Third, we got the prone press up. Just so I lay on your stomach and move up onto your elbows, kind of let that low back, mid back stretch out a little bit more. You can get a little bit more aggressive with it, something like this. You can go side to side, just nice and slow and gentle here. Just trying to get a good stretch throughout that low and kind of mid-low back. Awesome. Final one for low back pain for cyclists. We're going to do a hip hinge. This is working on those hamstrings mobility. We're going to keep the shoulders back. We want to keep the back nice and straight. So just doing something like this. Yeah, make sure you feel your hamstrings loading up quite a bit. You can keep a slight bend in the knees for comfort. We don't want to see anything like a squat for this. We want to see a true hip hinge, keeping that back nice and flat. Again, for this one, I like to do 20 seconds for 3 to 4 reps of holding this, then reset every 20 seconds. Come back up and then go back down, see if you have a little bit more mobility with it. Something that can help with this one, going up and doing it against a wall. So you can go up, going against an object. You can use that object until go back until you can feel your butt touch the object. This is a good cue for feeling for your butt to touch a wall behind you. Then you can kind of determine how much mobility you have. If it's too intense, move a little bit closer. If it's too easy, move a little bit farther away from the wall. And then, as you can see, it gets much more difficult.